Customer states a mechanic installed a leaking hose, and my truck overheats worse now. Hard to mess up one of these vehicles, so let's see what's been worked on. This heater hose is definitely new. Pressure test, and the new hose is leaking. Why would a new hose leak, you may wonder? That's because some moron forced it off. If I ever do one of these, I always do both. You should too. Second pressure test, and now it got worse. It's definitely going to need a radiator. I've been waiting for a couple hours now. I combustion test in the meantime. Still waiting, so I make sure the fans work properly. Customer ended up wanting their own radiator installed. Which is no problem, but now this job has no warranty. It did turn out good, so they should be happy. Be careful who you let work on your vehicles.